Hello everyone, this is the Sagar from Panambra and uh, today date is 2nd April 2022 and today our topic is the synchronization. Synchronization is the resources of the thread and it is the access to multiple thread at a time. This is the process of the and control and manage to thread. This process is called as the synchronization. Synchronization is the also two types. First one is the process based synchronization, and second one is the thread based synchronization. We see firstly process based synchronization. Process based synchronization means two multiple tasks or multiple process are the depends on each other. Means to one process are the depends on another process. For example, one processor R depends on another processor, which is the best example of the process synchronization. The process synchronization is also divided in mainly two types. First one is the race synchronization, and second one is the correlation of the synchronization. We see firstly race synchronization. Race synchronization means two two or more than threads are the two or more thread at a time execute and means at a time read and write two at a time. This process are called as the race synchronization. And second one is the critical synchronization. The critical synchronization is the to mostly used to avoid, and the critical synchronization is the mostly used in avoid to race synchronization. Means the firstly only one synchronization or only one thread are execute and then another way to second synchronization run that time. This is the process of the critical synchronization. Then second one is the thread based synchronization. Thread based synchronization is also divided in mainly two types. First one is the mutual exclusive synchronization, and second one is the interbonding of the interbonding thread synchronization. We see firstly mutual exclusive synchronization. The mutual exclusive synchronization is also divided in three types. First one is the method based synchronized. Second one is the block based synchronized, and third one is the static based synchronization. We see firstly method based synchronization. Method based synchronization is the used to method to synchronize. We see to achieve the method in the method synchronization means at a time multiple method are execute. That time the we want to only one method are partly execute. That time the synchronize this method and another method are goes to waiting stage. This the process is the called as synchronized method. Then second one is the block synchronize. Block synchronize are the present in one method. If block synchronize is the to optimize the code and optimize the code in few lines. This process is called as block synchronize. This for example, if you if 100 lines of the method, and I want to only 5 line that they run at a time. That time to this block are the synchronized and another whole method are goes to a waiting step. This process is called as the synchronized method. Then the last one is the static synchronize. Static synchronize is the two only static method are the synchronized. Another only static method are the synchronized, not of the class of the synchronized. That time another whole methods are the goes on waiting state. This that time only static method are the executive of the firstly. Then other whole methods are going to the waiting state. This is the process of the and this process is called as the static synchronize. Then then last one is the interbonding of the synchronize. Interbonding of the synchronization means the interleaving process of the methods are the bonding or connectly each other. That is the intercommunicate to each other. Means the for example we see one by one some methods. First one is start method, second one is wait method, third one is join method, fourth one is the yield method, fifth one is the notify method, and last one is the notify all method. Firstly, start method. Start method are the actually overall thread are the start in start method. Execution or start the execution of the start method. Then the second one is the join method. Join method is the actually of the two execution start and interbonding of the two methods are the interleavingly connected in join method. Then the second one is the wait method. If we want to firstly one method are the in running a execution test, then the second method is some time to waiting. If we want to some time waiting, but this process are the not completed, that time this waiting stage is goes on terminated automatically. That time this that time the another waiting stage are goes to in execution of the thread. Then the second one is the yield method. Yield method are the stop the execution of the currently method or currently thread, and the start of the priority of the to goes firstly execution of the priority thread, and these thread are complete the execution. Then another thread or another waiting stage are goes to in execution ready to execution. Then second one is the notify. Notify means at a time only one thread are the come to execution, and notify all means the many thread or multiple thread at a time comes on execution of the operating system. This is the whole information of the synchronization. Thank you.